Now, this video is specially made for e-bike owners, as in this video I have listed top 5 best e-bike bike racks in the market. Plus, I have made this list with full of custom-fit bike racks after performing research, which is based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and other features of bike racks. And for your convenience, I have given the link in the description so that you can quickly check out the racks. Furthermore, I have ranked them according to usability and compatibility with e-bikes, so that you can choose them according to your requirement. Number 1. The Hollywood Rack's Sport Rider e-bike rack is a game-changer for e-bike enthusiasts, offering an efficient and secure means of transportation. Designed specifically for electric bikes, it accommodates the unique dimensions and weight of e-bikes with ease. Its robust build, complete with anti-wobble features, ensures stability during transport. The platform-style design minimizes frame contact, preserving the integrity of your e-bikes. The rack's user-friendly tilt feature allows easy access to the vehicle's trunk. The Hollywood Rack Sport Rider e-bike rack is a testament to innovation, simplifying the transportation of electric bikes and enhancing the overall cycling experience. Number 2. The Yakima On-Ramp e-bike rack is a revolutionary solution for e-bike owners looking to transport their electric bikes with ease and security. Designed with precision, it accommodates the unique dimensions and weight of e-bikes, providing a stable and user-friendly transportation platform. Its innovative frame clamp system minimizes frame contact, preserving your e-bike's integrity. The rack offers a quick and simple loading process, while the one-handed tilt feature grants easy access to the vehicle's rear. With a strong and durable build, the Yakima On-Ramp e-bike rack is an exceptional choice for cyclists seeking a hassle-free way to transport their e-bikes and enhance their cycling adventures. Number 3. The Thule Easy Fold e-bike rack is a hallmark of convenience and security for e-bike enthusiasts. Designed with meticulous attention to detail, it caters to the unique dimensions and weight of electric bikes. With a sturdy build and user-friendly features, it offers secure transport while preserving the integrity of your e-bikes. The platform-style design minimizes frame contact, and the convenient tilt feature provides easy access to your vehicle's trunk. Thule's reputation for quality and innovation shines through in the Easy Fold, making it a top choice for cyclists seeking a dependable and practical solution for transporting their e-bikes, ultimately enhancing their outdoor experiences. Number 4. The InnoRack's Tire Hold 2. E-BikeRack is an exceptional solution for e-bike owners seeking a secure and versatile transport option. Designed to accommodate electric bikes' unique dimensions, this rack relies on the tires rather than the frame for stability, preventing any potential damage. The user-friendly design streamlines loading and unloading, while the robust build ensures durability and reliable performance. Its compact size and ease of storage make it a practical choice for those with limited space. The InnoRack's Tire Hold 2. E-bike rack is a testimony to innovation and convenience, simplifying the transportation of electric bikes and enhancing your cycling adventures. Number 5. The Quad Piston Pro X e-bike rack is a cutting-edge solution for e-bike enthusiasts looking for a premium transport option. Crafted with precision, it accommodates electric bikes' unique features, offering a secure and stable platform for transportation. Its innovative design minimizes frame contact and eliminates potential damage. This rack combines a user-friendly approach with a strong build, allowing for easy loading and unloading while ensuring durability. The integrated bike repair stand adds to its versatility, making it a top choice for cyclists seeking a high-quality and practical solution to transport their e-bikes, ultimately enhancing their outdoor experiences. Thank you for watching, guys. The buying link is given in the description below, so that you can check them on the Amazon.com and choose them accordingly. So, that's it from this video, and I hope you like this video on Best E-Bike Bike Rack. And if this video is helpful to you, please give us like, comment, and subscribe.